So this is our last new lesson, similarity. Who can tell me what does it mean for two figures to be similar? If we can't answer this, that's a bad sign. Lola, what does it mean for two figures to be similar? Same shape and possibly same size. I love that. Elijah, what were you going to say? Congruent. It's similar to similar, but similar and congruent are separate things. Right? What's the difference between congruent and similar? Avery? No? Never mind. Lola, what's the difference between the two? That's right. Congruent means same shape, same size. That's right. If they're similar, they're not necessarily the same size. Jada, what were you going to add? Congruent means identical, and similar means you kind of look alike, right? It's like if you have an identical twin sibling versus an older sibling. You are congruent to your identical twin, but you're similar with your older sibling. You guys may have some features that are alike, but one of you might be taller, because you're older, that type of deal. So if I have two triangles that are similar, one thing that they all need to have is the same corresponding. Okay, we're taking notes now. Thank you. Angles. Corresponding means in the same spot. So my bottom left angle's got to be the same as my other bottom left angle. My top angle's got to be the same as my other top angle. Okay. So if I have two triangles here, triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, and I want to determine if they are similar or not, we're going to use the triangle sum theorem, which we already know how to do. That's what we talked about on Friday. So I'm going to start with this first guy here. Okay, triangle ABC. I'm going to do it in blue. Which angle is missing in triangle ABC? Triangle B. Angle B. So I could set up 49 plus 61 plus B equals 180 degrees. Right?
Yes.
And if I look at triangle XYZ, which angle is missing in triangle XYZ? Angle Z. So I could set up the equation 49 plus 70 plus Z equals what? Not quite. 180. Right? Just like every other triangle. They all add up and equal 180. So let's look at the blue triangle first. What do we get when we add 49 and 61? Those are the warm-up. 110, very nice. So I got 110 plus B equals 180. And what do I do with that 110?
You subtract.
That's right. Just from one side?
No, from both sides.
From both sides. And what is 180 minus 110?
70.
70 degrees. So angle B in here, I'm going to label it, is 70 degrees. Everyone cool with that?
Yes.
Mathematically, exactly the same as what we did on Friday. Very straightforward. Let's go to the green triangle. What's 49 plus 70? Also from the warm-up, I believe? No, maybe not.
119.
Good job. 119 plus Z equals 180. What do I do with that 119?
Subtract 119 on both sides.
That's right. Thank you. Subtract it on both sides. Those go away. And I'm left with Z equals what?
61.
61 degrees. Great job. So I'm going to label that top angle Z 61 degrees. So look at my two triangles now, my small blue one and my big green one. The question that we have to answer is, are these triangles similar or not? What do you guys think? Thumbs up, they are similar. Thumbs down, they are not similar. What do you think based on what you see? Okay. Some thumbs down, some thumbs up, a little bit of a split. So if they are similar, they all have the same corresponding angles. That's what similar means in this case. So if I look, what is my bottom left angle in both triangles? 49. What's my bottom right? 70. What's my top?
61.
Are those all equal?
Yes.
Yes. So this is a pair of similar triangles. That's what it means when we say the same shape. The same shape means all three of my angles are the same. This is the definition of same shape. Right? Because if I had this little triangle here, that is what, 49, 70, and 61? 49, 70, 61. Right? If I took this triangle and I changed the angles so that this 49 degree angle is now a 90 degree angle, that would bring this one down to like 55 and 145, 535, something like that. Right? Are those two triangles shaped the same now? No, they're shaped very differently because we changed what the angles are in the middle. So if all my angles are the same, even if one is clearly bigger than the other, I can say confidently that these triangles are similar. Right? And it makes sense. You look at that and you go, oh, they look similar. One's bigger than the other, but they're all shaped the same. Okay? Any questions on that? So you're basically just doing the triangle sum theorem twice and answering, are they similar or not, based on all the angles. Let's look at example B. I'm going to start here with this guy, triangle XYZ. All right, I don't know what angle Z is, so I could say 81 plus 30 plus Z equals 180. And if you look at this diagram, you see this bottom right-hand corner. What's my angle measure for that bottom right-hand angle? You guys see what number I'm pointing at twice?
30.
30. So you see, oh, 30 and 30, that's a good sign. They have one angle in common, but I need to have all three. Okay? So let's solve this. What is 81 plus 30?
111.
111, good. 111 plus Z equals 180. What do I want to do with that 111?
Subtract 111 on both sides.
Subtract 111 on both sides. What is 180 minus 111? 69 degrees. That's going to go right up here with angle Z. Notice anything interesting?
They're different.
What are different?
Those angles.
Which angles? Where are they in the triangle? Bottom left, bottom right, top, middle?
Bottom left, top.
Bottom left? Well, I don't know what this bottom left one is. The bottom right ones are the same. You're right. What angle are you talking about? The top one. One of them is 69 degrees. One of them is 59 degrees. And those are corresponding angles. They're in the same spot. So what does that tell me about these two triangles, you think?
They're not similar.
Not similar. We've got different top angles. I don't even need to do the other equation because I know that whatever I get down here for angle A is not going to be 81 degrees. But just to prove it, let's do it. It'll take 2 seconds. Right? 30 plus 59 plus A equals 180. What is 30 plus 59?
89.
89 plus A equals 180. What do I do with that 89?
Subtract it on both sides.
Good. It's the same thing every time. And I get A is equal to
91.
91 degrees. So this little guy down here is 91 degrees. Does this bottom left angle match my blue bottom left angle? No. 81 and 91 are not the same. So once again, enforcing that these triangles are not similar. All right, not similar. And that's my answer. My answer is not 69 and 91. My answer is not similar. We're just using the formula we talked about on Friday to get us to that point. All right? Quick show of thumbs, how we feel about that. Thumbs up seems easy enough. I could probably do that, I bet. Thumbs sideways, maybe. If I get some practice, it'll make more sense. Cool. Let's get some practice.